Hi, and welcome to today's edition of Excel with Accelerate. So, in our community on Telegram, someone reached out and said he has been having issues with having the Autosum done on his workbooks and his spreadsheets. And we thought that, we could help out and show you 3 ways you can actually make this happen. The first way is by going to the cell you want it to be on and press and hold alternate and equal to. It automatically brings that, and this goes. Okay, you can drag this down here and it gives you the total of what you have on every column of the sales by category. Also, you can, let's use this particular cell, you can have it by having equal to sum, open a bracket, and you drag down these cells and close it. It gives you that. Or you can come here, equal to, click on auto sum here. Notice how this auto sum picks 2013 because it is a number, and so you drag this down here so that it only picks the values you want it to pick. Same thing with alternate and equal to. Alternate and equal to, we pick the year as a number, and so that you take it down as well. Okay, I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two from this. Please follow us on all social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. We can be seen at Accelerate Services. There we have longer videos with tutorials on how you can learn a couple of things in Excel. See you next week. Cheers. Bye bye.